we're going to talk to you about the safe use of slide sledges. One of the key critical points to using a slide sledge is definitely the pre-use inspection. Through the use of the slide sledge, they will come loose over time, or the components of the slide sledge are going to fail. So it's pretty important to make sure that the slide sledge is in good working operation to make sure that you're not hurt along when using it. Some things we're looking for is the lock itself. This right here is an example of a bad slide sledge, so we're just going to go through it first. You'll want to make sure that the lock actually retains the anvil from sliding in and out. And here we can see no matter how I set this lock, it's going in and out regardless. Another feature of this lock is that it needs to lock out of the way, so that way the anvil doesn't engage in being locked when you're pulling it in and out. Also, when using a slide sledge, you have to make sure that all components are tight. They will loosen themselves off over time, so you'll want to check all the connection points on the slide sledge to make sure that they haven't come loose. So with our good slide sledge here, we can see that our anvil doesn't slide in and out. And when it's in the unlock position, there's no jamming or binding. Our hammerhead is tight, and all other components are tight. And then when you're using your tool, whatever bit you select on the end, just be sure to tighten the set screw and make sure it is tight in place. For ease of use, we've generated this list. Apply the lock before and after using the tool to ensure that it holds in both positions. Ensure that each section of the tool is properly secured and threaded. Ensure that the dry part cannot slide out of the tube. And this is a good example of it right here. That should not separate. Select the appropriate attachment, and then check for the presence of the rubber hand stop, which you can see is both here as well. Thanks for watching.